2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor Utility. This is a major problem. We're having it on every single one of our cars. You can see it dripping down right now. See it pouring down? Okay. They did not seal the front. We have had these cars with several inches of water in them. Almost all the cars will eventually do it. You get in a basic rainstorm, and guess what happens? The floor fills up with water. We have had them so full, it has been all the way to the back. They have a piece of plastic cowling missing underneath the dash. So if you are looking at a Police Interceptor Explorer, I just want you to know that that under here where the cowling is, they have some kind of a problem where the water is coming underneath it and getting in and filling up the floor. So anyway, just I want you guys to know, if you're looking at this video, that this is a known problem. Ford knows about it, and they are not doing anything about it unless you have a problem. But you can see right here, this car is sitting here dripping on the ground, and that's how fast it's pouring in the car. All right. So if you have this problem with your Ford, it's not unique to you. It is a problem with Ford. They've known about this problem since 2019 and still have yet to address it, as this is a 2020 issue. Quality Ford.